So you've heard about Webull, the trading platform known for its powerful charts and advanced tools, and you're ready to use it to buy your first shares of Amazon. But when you open the app, it can feel a bit overwhelming. There are more buttons, more charts, and more data than on some of the simpler apps. You might be looking at the screen thinking, where do I even start? How do I fund this? And what's the difference between all these order types? That initial confusion is completely normal. Webull is a platform designed to grow with you, but that means the learning curve is a little steeper at the very beginning. But what if you could harness that power from day one? What if you could not only place a trade but understand the tools you're using to do it? This video is your definitive Webull walkthrough. We are going to navigate the app together, from the initial sign-up all the way to executing a trade for Amazon stock. I'll explain the key features you need to know and show you how to use them to make a confident and informed first investment. Let's get started. The first step, of course, is to download the Webull app and open your account. The process is more detailed than on some other platforms because Webull is a registered broker-dealer, and they need this information to comply with regulations. You'll need to provide your personal details like your social security number, employment information, and investment experience. Be honest and thorough here. This isn't a test, it helps Webull understand your financial profile. You'll also be asked about your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Once you submit your application, it typically takes 1 to 2 business days for approval. While you wait for approval, you can already start the next crucial step, funding your account. Head to the Webull icon on the bottom menu, then tap Transfers. You can link your bank account via Plaid, which is a secure and instant verification method. Or you can use a more traditional manual microdeposit verification, which takes a day or two. Webull does not offer instant buying power for standard bank transfers. Like some other apps, a bank transfer takes about 5 business days to clear. However, if you fund your account with a wire transfer, the money is available immediately. For most beginners, the standard ACH bank transfer is perfectly fine, just plan ahead. Once your account is funded and ready to go, it's time to find Amazon and do a little analysis. Webull excels at this. Tap the markets or search icon at the bottom and type in AMZN, which is Amazon's ticker symbol. When you arrive at Amazon's page, you'll see why Webull is loved by active traders. The interface is packed with information. You have real-time level-to-market data showing the bid and ask prices, advanced charting tools with dozens of indicators, and a full news feed. Before you buy, take a moment to use these tools. Tap on the chart. You can change the time frame from 1 minute to 1 month. Add a simple moving average, like the 50-day or 200-day, to see the general trend. This isn't about becoming a technical analysis expert overnight. It's about getting comfortable with the tools that will make you a better investor over time. Scrolling down, you'll also see key statistics like the P/E ratio, earnings per share, and analyst ratings. Doing this quick check helps you make an informed decision, not just a hopeful click. Now for the main event, placing the trade. On the Amazon page, tap the Trade button, and then Buy. This opens the trade ticket, which is your command center. The first and most important decision is your order type. While other apps might push you toward a market order, Webull's power is in its order types, and I strongly recommend beginners start with a limit order. A limit order allows you to set the maximum price you are willing to pay per share. This gives you total control and prevents you from buying at a momentary price spike. For example, if Amazon is trading at $3,400, you could set a limit price of $3,405. Your order will only execute if someone is willing to sell to you at that price or lower. Next, you'll specify the quantity. Webull also supports fractional shares, which they call dollars invested. So, even with Amazon's high share price, you can invest any amount, like $100 or $500. Simply toggle from shares to dollars invested and enter your amount. Before you hit submit, let's configure the critical settings on the trade ticket. First, look for the extended hours toggle. Webull allows you to trade during pre-market and after-hours sessions. This is a powerful feature, but for your first trade, I recommend leaving it off. Stick to regular trading hours from 9:30 am to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. During extended hours, trading volume is lower, which can lead to much wider spreads between the bid and ask price, and your order might not fill at a predictable price. The second setting is time in force. For a standard limit order, the best choice is day. This means if your limit price isn't met by the end of the trading day, the order will cancel. This prevents an old, forgotten order from executing days or weeks later when the market conditions have changed. Once your limit order and amount are set, review the estimated cost and tap Submit. Your order is now live and working. You can check its status in the Orders tab. After your order is filled, congratulations, you're a shareholder. Your position will appear in the Positions tab of your portfolio. Webull provides a very detailed view here, showing your average cost, current market value, and daily profit and loss. Now that you're in the game, it's important to talk about mindset. The stock market is volatile. Seeing your position in the red on some days is completely normal. The key to long-term investing is to not make emotional decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Webull offers great tools to help with this, like setting price alerts, so you're not constantly checking the app. You can also set a stop-loss order to automatically sell if the price falls to a certain level, protecting you from a major downturn. A fantastic strategy for building your position over time is to use Webull's recurring investments feature. You can automatically invest a set dollar amount into AMZN every day, week, or month, harnessing the power of dollar cost averaging. Before we finish, I have to end with a crucial disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor or a Webull representative. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All investments involve risk, including the possible loss of principal. Trading securities such as Amazon stock may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Please consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before trading. Your call to action is to open the Webull app and practice. Use their paper trading feature to place simulated trades with virtual money. It's the best way to learn the platform's features without any financial risk. Once you're comfortable, you can fund your account and take the first step with confidence. Thanks for watching.